just wanted to speak about Shailesh. He's a very busy man. And he still does an event like this and a group like this. So I think what that means to us is that we should really put ourselves out there and spend time and effort to connect. Because we won't progress if we're siloed, and we need to build relationships, strong relationships. And we need to be unified in the direction that we want to take, which is to build business connections. So this event is an amazing thing. I wanted to really join because it's, when something starts up, it's always worth having a look and trying to see if you can contribute. So just to acknowledge again, Shailesh and your team, Ravi. Luisa over there, thank you for your amazing start, and it's always such a pleasure. I've met so many people already. Some new people, some people that I've known for a long while. I have to acknowledge the chair of the Philippines New Zealand Business Council, Paul Familiar, who's here. I also acknowledge the franchise owner of Miss Universe in New Zealand, Maria, who's back there. Also, the owner of Mrs. Universe. It's just, New Zealand is full of beautiful people, and celebrating that is an amazing thing. And so thank you for being here. Biren, who was the vice president of the New Zealand-Nepal Business Council. Actually, Biren, you should meet Paul, and Paul should, there are so many things. Mohan, contracting, metro contract, amazing thing, Thank you for your work. Paeng, Rafael, Dr. Mobile. When you have a good idea and you work hard on it, then it takes you forward. And this is what we all must do. I acknowledge also Bala, Biram, who's a good friend, hard worker. I've known him for over 10 years, and it's just an amazing thing to know Bala. And everyone who's here that I haven't yet met, I hope to meet you outside a little bit later on. I will stay on as much as I can. Okay, so just quickly, so I'm Paulo. I used to be Consul General for the Philippines. I was part of the establishment of the New Zealand Philippines Business Council. I'm currently MP for National in Yulin. I am not running for re-election. So I think that when you see me, I'm a happy person. None of the doom and gloom. We have to remain optimistic. I speak freely. I always say to everyone that do others and help others get ahead. It's not just about us. So I think ultimately, if you are there for others, you won't have a hard time networking and connecting. Yeah? And smile, it's hard. Life is hard enough as it is. And we have so many things that worry us. That's so true. And we're all busy. We're all time poor. We're all time poor. All of you, everyone who's working hard is time poor. So thank you for the time that you've shared this evening. I think I will leave it at that. So thank you so much for having me. Shailesh, thank you.